affricates start as plosives and end as fricatives. So if you haven't watched the video on plosives and the video on fricatives, make sure to watch those first. I'll leave a link in the description for you. The two affricates in American English are ch and j, usually represented by ch in words like chair or j in words like jar. For these two sounds, ch, 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 ch is voiceless, which means we do not use our voice box, and j, 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 j is voiced, which means we do use our voice box to say it. You'll feel your throat vibrating, j, j, j. Whereas with ch, 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 you're just letting out air. You'll also notice with j, 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 this toilet paper will only move slightly, but I let out a lot more air with ch, ch, so it moves quite a bit. If you look at the IPA symbol for ch, you'll notice that you have a t sound next to a sh sound. That's because ch is the combination of those two sounds. Those two voiceless sounds make the voiceless ch. Likewise, you'll see that j, j is the combination of the d sound and the j sound. Those two voiced sounds make the voiced j. If trying to combine those two sounds is confusing or difficult for you, you can think of them as one sound. Most native speakers don't think of them as these two sounds combined. We just think of them as their own sounds. So when I make these sounds, ch and j, I put my teeth together and then I open my mouth and let out air. Ch, 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 j, 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 j. When I do this, my tongue starts curled up against my teeth. Ch, 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 j, j, ch, ch, j, j. Practice the affricates ch and j with me by reading these sentences out loud. Check the cheddar, Judge. Jill just changed it too much. Don't dodge the question. Just watch me smudge this fudge on that witch. Let's do that once more. A little faster. Check the cheddar, Judge. Jill just changed it too much. Don't dodge the question. Just watch me smudge this fudge on that witch. And there you go. Those are the two affricates in American English. This pronunciation video was made in cooperation with TruVec. To learn more about TruVec, go ahead and click the link I left for you in the description.